Oh shit, okay. Already with the beautiful ass visuals, you know they don't miss with that. Holy moly. They going off with this one. Already. Oh yeah, this is it. I can feel it. And this person sounds so familiar. I gotta look who did this. Holy moly, who has around their neck like that? Yo, this gotta give me like Tokyo Ghoul vibes a little bit. Oh yeah. I'm already feeling the hell out this ended. Come on, bring it on. Holy shit. Oh yeah. I'm already ready for this action. Come on, bring it. This is turning me the hell up. I'm sorry about talking a lot. This is like actually getting me in the mood. I'm like getting actual goosebumps. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10 ending.